Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So today I'm here with another Eid makeup tutorial, and for today's look I have created this purple monochromatic glittery eye look because my dress is purple and I wanted something colorful to match my dress and wearable at the same time, and this is what I came up with. I think this is a perfect look for any party, for any purple outfit. And before starting, if you are new to the channel, then hi, I am Neeta. I upload makeup, skincare and beauty related videos here on my channel. If those things impressed you, then please consider subscribing. It will mean a lot to me, and if you are already a subscriber, then thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. So yeah, without further blabbering, let's get started. As always, I'm starting with my brows first. For that, I'm using my e.l.f. Cosmetics Micro Brow Pencil in this shade Cool Brown, and I am just drawing the borders of my brows first, and then I'll be filling them up using small hair-like strokes. I shared with you my updated eyebrow routine. In that video, I shared so many tips and tricks to achieve perfect brows each time you do your own makeup. I will mention the video link in the description bar down below, so please go ahead and check that out. Now I am taking my Milani concealer in the shade 135, and I am cleaning up the borders of my brows so that my brows look well shaped and defined. Whenever I'm doing up party makeup, this step is must for me, but if you are a beginner and if you want to skip this step, you can totally skip it. I'm applying the same concealer on my eyelids to prime my eyelids for eyeshadows that is coming up next. And now I am just blending it out using a damp beauty sponge. This particular sponge is from Eco Tools. Now I'm just setting the concealer with a little bit of loose powder so that it does not crease. For my eyes, first I'm taking this beautiful purpley pink shade from my Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsession palette, and with this Morphe M441 brush, I am applying it as my transition color, and slowly building it up because I do not want any kind of patchiness. If you take a lot of product at a time, then it might become patchy and you do not want that. So take a little product and just slowly build it up. Quite happy with the intensity. Now I'm going to go ahead and take the next shade, which is this one right here. This is a purple shade, a dark purple shade, and I'm applying it on my crease as well as on my outer V area, just to give my outer V area and my crease a little bit of depth. And this brush is again from Morphe, and I'm again doing the same thing. That means I am slowly building it up because I do not want any kind of patchiness. I'm taking this beautiful purple shade from the palette. This is a shimmery purple shade, and with this flat shade brush from Morphe, I am applying it all over on my eyelid, and I'm just packing the color. I'm taking little by little product and I'm just packing it in. You can wet your brush or use the glitter primer underneath. That way the shimmer will pop, but I'm applying it as it is. Now I'm taking this dark purple shade from the palette and I'm applying it on my outer V area to give my outer V area a little bit of depth and definition. Now I'm taking this Milani Hypnotics Light Eye Topper, and this is in the shade Cosmic Meadow, and I am first just applying it on the top of that shimmer shade, and then I am patting it or saturating it with my finger. That way it won't become patchy and I won't have that chunk of glitter in one place. I'm just drawing a nice wing here using my NYX matte eyeliner. This has a brush tip and it is perfect for applying your eyeliner on top of a glitter or shimmer. Before continuing with my eye make further, I'm going to finish my face, and for that I am taking my e.l.f. Cosmetics Poreless Putty Primer and I'm priming on my face and neck. I already moisturized my face about half an hour ago. If you are planning to wear this look during daytime, then make sure to use an SPF before applying your primer. Now I'm taking my MAC strobe light in the shade Gold Light and I'm applying it all around my face to have that beautiful glow from within. I adore this product. This is like one of its own kind and it provides a beautiful glow. But if you have oily skin, then you might skip it and you can totally see the glow it's giving me. I'm color correcting using my Illegal Pro Conceal Orange color corrector and I'm applying it wherever I have pigmentation, dark spot, acne spot and dark circle. And I'm just blending it out using my finger and I'm just tapping it. If you have a lot of hyperpigmentation going on, then I suggest you to use a color corrector underneath. It just helps to neutralize all those darkness underneath and your foundation, your concealer will not look grayish in color. I'm just blending it out one last time using the damp sponge. It will absorb the excess product. For my foundation, I'm going with my favorite Maybelline Superstay in the shade 310 and as you can see, I'm applying a very little amount of this foundation because it is pretty full coverage and I do not want a heavy foundation on my face because it's summertime and I want a pretty light base. That way it won't smudge, it won't cake up. Even if you sweat or even if you become oily, it will look perfect and it will stay intact. So my advice is just apply a little amount, just enough to cover your imperfection and just enough to even out your skin tone. And since I applied my strobe cream underneath, you can see it's still giving that pretty glow and I haven't even used a full pump. This is how my skin is looking. It's like my skin but better. Now I'm just highlighting as well as concealing using the same Milani concealer. Now I'm applying it underneath my eyes, on my chin, on my cupid bow, around my mouth, down the bridge of my nose as well as on the center of my forehead. And I'm blending it out again using the same damp beauty sponge. This concealer is like one shade or two shades lighter than my skin tone, so it acts as a highlighting concealer for me. It covers up my dark circle and at the same time it gives my face a little bit of lifted look. But if you just want to conceal your imperfections, then use a concealer that is that matches your skin tone. And taking my Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder, I'm just setting my under eyes as well as my smile lines using my e.l.f. Cosmetics highlighter brush. I'm taking my Flower Beauty powder and I'm just setting my entire makeup with it. Now I'm taking my Revolution Pro bronzer in the shade Cacao and I'm just contouring the perimeters of my face using this Real Techniques contour brush. And I'm applying it on the hollows of my cheeks, on my jawline, on my forehead as well as on my nose. If you want a video on highlighting, contouring, blush placement, then let me know. I'll be more than happy to make a video for you all. To bronze out my face even more, I am going with my Wet n Wild bronzer in the shade Shady Beaches. And I'm just bronzing up my face to bring back that beautiful sun-kissed glow to the face. And whenever I use a bronzer, it just makes my contour look so much more smoother. For my blush, I'm going with my MAC Melba. This is like my one of favorite blushes. The undertone is just perfection. It is a peachy terracotta kind of a blush and it's perfect for medium to light skin tone. Now I'm going with my Milani highlighter in the shade Afterglow, and I'm hitting the high points of my face using this Real Techniques highlighter brush. And you know the drill, right? Like my cheekbones, chin, cupid bow, down the bridge of my nose, as well as the center of my forehead. Now I'm taking my Rimmel Stay Matte setting spray and I'm just setting my entire makeup. For my lips, first I'm lining my lips using my Wet n Wild lip liner in this shade Lay Down the Mauve. These lip liners, you guys, you need them. They are inexpensive and they get the job done. The formula is so good, it's creamy, it stays all day long. And for my lipstick, I'm going with my MAC Satin Matte Lipstick. This is in the shade Retro. Such a beautiful nude shade. Now I'm going to quickly finish my eye makeup. For that, first I'm using my Rimmel eyeliner in the shade Nude on my waterline. And now I'm taking this dark purple shade from the palette and taking this angled brush from Pune store. I'm smudging out my entire lower lash line. Taking that light purple shade, I am just applying it on the border of the previous shade just to tie the look together. I'm just highlighting my brow bones as well as my inner corners using my Milani highlighter, which I used for my face. I'm just curling my natural lashes with my Vega eyelash curler and I'm applying a coat of mascara. This is my Essence 16R waterproof mascara. For my lashes, I am going with my Profusion lashes and I will mention the style in the description bar down below. These are a very natural looking lashes and these are my favorites. And here is the completed eye look. Please let me know your thoughts about this look in the comment section down below. It will mean a lot to me. And that is pretty much it. Here is the completed look. Those jewelries are from Amazon and I truly love how the entire look came together. It is just perfect for that outfit. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and I hope this video was helpful for you. If you did, then please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And if you have any question, if you have any video request, then feel free to comment down below. I'll be more than happy to make it for you. And if you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, then please do follow me there. All the links will be given in the description bar down below, so please go ahead and check that out. So yes, see you soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye and take care and Eid Mubarak.